Hey Gina, this is Melissa. I'm with Kylie over at Rengen. I just wanted to take a minute and send you this short video going over some ways that you can increase your online presence. So basically, there's three ways to rank your website and get some more traffic to it. It's the content that's on your webpage, citations, and backlinks. So we'll be going over all three of those strategies. So the first thing I wanted to do is take a look at your website. It looks really nice. I love how you have a video up here. Um, Tells you about yourself, your services. Looks like testimonials you got in here, call to action page. But just note that you really want to have about 1,500 words of content on your page. Google really, they have what's called crawlers. So Google really likes to see at least 1,500 words. And that needs to be relative content as well. So something that people would be searching for. So, you know, life coach, leadership training, maybe the services that you provide, the areas that you want to provide, something of that nature. So let's go over and see what your competition is doing. So when you put in the search bar Life Coach in USA, all of these up here are going to be the paid ads. These are people that are paying per click. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is the map pack. So these are all the companies that have a Google My Business page. And you really want to be in these top three. And the way to get there is you want to have at least 25 five-star reviews. You want to have 10 to 15 pictures up in there. And you also want to have as many citations as you can. So a citation is any directory where your business name, phone number, and address is listed. Those are things like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, anything like that. So as we go down a little bit, these are going to be what's called the organics. Um, so you really want to be on the top three of these as well, or at least on the first page. So let's go and look and see what this person's website looks like. So Allison, her website looks nice too. I can kind of already tell off the bat she really doesn't have enough content on her page either. So content-wise, she would be pretty easily beat out, and we could outrank her as far as the content goes. So we like to use this program called Ahrefs, and it actually analyzes your website as far as what Google likes to see and how you're ranking in Google's eyes. So it looks like when we pull up your site, you don't have any traffic coming to your site per month. It looks like you only have one organic keyword, and these two numbers really need to be a little bit higher than that in order to beat out that competition. So the UR is where you have a 3 here. That's how powerful your site is, and the DR is how trustworthy your site is. So you do have a couple of backlinks, which is good. So backlinks are the other way that you can rank your site. So backlinks are basically any other website, article, blog, anything like that that is referring your site and driving traffic back to your site. You also want to note that all backlinks are not created equally, so you don't want to have a lot of spammy backlinks. You want to have backlinks that are related to your scope of work. So let's go see how Allison ranks. So as you can see from here, she has 809 people coming to her site per month, over 1,000 keywords, over 1,000 backlinks coming from 255 referring domains, and her UR and DR numbers are up there. 38 and 36 out of 100. So those are a lot of the reasons why she is ranking higher on that first page of Google. So at the end of the day, in order to get some more people and some more traffic to your website and making it visible, if you just grab some more keywords on that homepage, create some backlinks and some citations, put your name out there a little bit, and you'd really be in good business and be able to beat out some of your competition and get to the top of that Google page. I hope this was helpful for you, and please leave us some feedback and let me know if we can help you implement any of these tips and tricks. Have a great day.